अपकमिंग फिल्म कहानी ने जगा दिया है उनका बॉन्ग कनेक्ट। विद्या के इस एक्सक्लूसिव कॉन्वर्सेशन में अब हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं ऊ लाला गर्ल विद्या का यही बंगाली कनेक्शन।
Hi, this is Madhurita Mukherjee, and with me is Bollywood's gorgeous lady Bidda Balon.
Bidda Balon. Actually, now Bidda Bagchi.
Oh, Bidda Bagchi, yeah. So tell us about the character experience and how was it being called Bidda?
You know, I've been called Bidda ever since I did Bhalu Theko. So I'm very used to it. And I love Bengali. I love everything Bengali. I love being in Kolkata. So shooting for Kahani in Kolkata was like a dream. Because I shot for Bhalu Theko in Kolkata. I've shot for Purinita in Kolkata. A couple of days for No One Killed Jessica, and then I went back for this. So it was a dream come true. And I worked with a lot of people I'd worked with in Purinita and Bhalu Theko. So I was, you know, really getting nostalgic. There was a lot of warmth. And I'm very used to people saying, Bidda. But you know, in the promo there's a line where the inspector asks me, he says, oh, you're Bidda Bagchi, and I say no, I'm a Vidya Bagchi. It's a V, not a B. But you know, Bengali has a lot of those things. They don't have a sir, it's a shaw. It's not an A for apple, it's an O for apple. It's so cute. Actually, I find everything about the language and about them cute.
Oh, I'm loving it.
Yeah. I'm a big wanna bong.
Wanna bong, wow. So Jay Ghosh was saying that the two heroes in the film, that's Kolkata and Vidya.
Well, I say, you know, maybe I'm the heroine and Kolkata is the hero.
So finally you have a hero.
Yeah, finally I have a hero, oh my god. No, Kolkata plays a very important role, especially because it's that time of the year when the Durga Puja happens, and this film is set against the backdrop of the Durga Puja. And the Bengalis believe that Ma Durga visits once a year to protect her children, and Vidya Bagchi is here in search of her husband to protect her child, to look for the father of her child. So I think it's a nice context, it's a nice setting for the film, and therefore Kolkata has been explored like never before. To my mind, I've not seen Kolkata being shown in that sense. You know, the little by-lanes, places which are very difficult to shoot in, places you won't imagine are, you know, maybe perfect enough for a shot. But we've shot it there, and in its imperfections, I think lie its beauty.
Did you pick up a lot of Bengali?
Oh, I love Bengali. কি বলবো তুমি জিজ্ঞেস করো?
Oh, that's amazing diction. বিয়ে কবে করবে?
না, এখন এত কাজ আছে, বিয়ে করতে সময় নেই.
I love the twang is perfect.
Yeah, I love Bengali. Over the years, I've been perfecting it. I've learned songs in Bengali, full songs in Bengali. I know rhymes, I know poems. So I can just rattle off in Bengali.
You know poem?
Yes.
What does it tell me?
শুনতে পেলাম পোস্তা গিয়ে তোমার নাকি মেয়ের বিয়ে, গঙ্গারামকে পাত্র পেলে জানতে চাও সে কেমন ছেলে.
Awesome. I don't know this.
Yeah.
Awesome. I mean, I've heard of this, but I don't know this.
I think it's a Sukumar Rai poem.
You have some bong connection, no?
Yes, I do. My mom says it's a past life connect. Whatever it is, I love it. And they have always received me with a lot of love and affection. And you know, it's such a coincidence that I shot for Purinita in Kolkata for 2 months. And in the same month, I shot for Kahani in Kolkata. Both directors are Bengali. And
how come you didn't find a bong man?
Yeah, I wonder why. But not to worry, whoever I find will be made into a Bengali.
Okay. We change the last name too, doesn't matter what it is.
Maybe Roy.
Oh, you like Oh, Vidya, thank you so much for talking to us and wish you all the best.
Thank you.